Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick walkthrough, we're exploring a useful XtJS customization done in HxGN EAM, specifically for the work order list view screen. We've created a script that enhances how system level, assembly level, and component level codes are shown in the list view. Instead of displaying just the raw codes, the script dynamically fetches the description associated with each code and displays it right next to the code, styled in blue for better visibility. This is done using XtJS renderers and calls to backend LOV grids, with context-specific parameters like organization and equipment class passed in real time. Key benefits: improves data clarity for end users. No more guessing what a level code means. Users see meaningful descriptions right next to technical codes, saving clicks and lookups. Delivers real-time data from the backend, ensuring it's always accurate and relevant. Maintains the read-only nature of the grid, so no extra overhead. Easy to extend or reuse for other fields or screens in EAM. Use case. This is especially helpful in work order planning screens, where technicians or planners need to quickly understand the structure of job components. By embedding this logic in the grid view, the system becomes far more user-friendly, without altering the core database or LOVs. Whether you're a functional consultant or a technical developer, this kind of enhancement can greatly improve user adoption and reduce training effort. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Hexagon EAM tips and customizations.